That does the right poison ivy. Wait, how are we gonna get it over there?
You got it?
Yeah.
You made it?
Yeah. I guess maybe we'll look at the viewers over here. That definitely looks like one.
I think it's not, but like, I think we're good this time.
This would be like a crazy, like, one of those like GoPro POVs. Fall.
Yeah, just come in here real smooth like that.
But you do it and like there's just noises from that. That water is super clean though.
Yeah, this is sick. I was at the top of this, but I wasn't down here.
It's really cool that there's no one else here.
Yeah, it's very nice. Okay.
Those up to the mosquito ones.
From where? I mean, I guess up to you, man. You could even, I guess you just gotta do it like a rock climber. A snail? That's cool. Yeah, you should be able to rock climb that thing, really. If you want. Please be careful though. If you think you might fall at all, do not. It would be. Yeah, this is like kind of wet. I think you would make it, but it's wet, so don't try. You know what I mean? Yeah. I wouldn't.
Yeah, there's like stuff under it. It wouldn't. I mean, it would. Ooh, this. Well, we could walk that way.
Oh yeah, this is actually sick.
Oh look, that's like stagnant water. There's
It's a very cool area.
You see?
Hey, you know what I just realized? Up ahead, there's a sign that says no trespassing. We might be on private property now. We should probably go back. I mean, this is the Horseman's campground, so
Yeah, but like,
let's go in there.
that reminds me of that boxcar. Remember?
Yeah, this is weird. Oh,
What do you think Rob was here?
you probably.
Oh, you can like, there's doors on it.
This is a pack of beef jerky, and that's a toilet. I think these are just outhouses. I mean, you at least hurt yourself as bad as I did.
Do you think I would have?
That is insane, dude. What the heck? Look at him. There he goes.
Oh, okay. It's not what they were doing. Oh, that just went out. You might just want to like mine. Yeah, just put it on top, or I guess light it like a cake. You know, you get multiple points.
Hopefully you can turn off the flashlight now.
That looks really cool.
Now we should be able to watch this thing just go crazy. Hopefully she takes off.
Unless it doesn't. Do you want to like light? Oh,
Hold
there
on,
it is.
we're
Yeah.
good. I think we're good.
That's basically like how big it was before. Yeah, we're good.
It doesn't even look like it does in real life.
No, no, it doesn't. And it's not even as big as it's gonna be. I'm gonna sit down over here for a
Might
second.
be a bad idea.
No problem.
There's so much smoke.
It definitely is working.
Yeah, well, this is like basically a fire starter.
Yeah.